Hello, John Neal here. Sunday the 4th of June and we're in Market Bosworth. Just parked the car in the park and now I'm walking to go to the middle of the village, town village, where there is a car rally of, well, we'll have to see. Old cars, vintage cars, classic cars, that's the best way of putting it, classic cars. Looking forward to this. I just poked my head round the corner at the bowling club. Here they are all in their all whites, you know what they're like. Hang on, what's he wearing? Did you see this? Yep. Well done. Very nice. What? Yellow and blue? Like an Australian cricket team. Then past the entrance to the old rectory, along the road through the car park at the back of the Black Horse, lovely pub, just speed up a bit, and round the corner to see the car rally, which is not there. Oh, yep, I should have read the poster. It's not here, it's in the park. Nevertheless, moving on, let's take advantage of being here and have a coffee and something to eat at Cafe Tort and see my old mate Lester. Doing a complete circuit of the town centre, past this wicker horse and a little display for various commemorative activities. Very nice too. And then on back towards the car park. We're back at the car park, at the country park, because the car rally, such as it might be or might not be, is not in the town centre. And while I was there, I didn't know whether to call Market Bosworth a town or a village. It's in between the two. Anyway, there's a lot of people over here in the picnic area, so let's go and see what's going on. Sounds like we've got a bit of a party atmosphere going on here. Oh, this is it. I did have word that it wasn't particularly impressive, and yeah, I don't know, they look too bad. This is my friend's car, Victor Broadfield's 1930s Riley that he's got up for sale. He's had that 50 years. Nice looking car. I did drive it once. Quite hard to do because there's no power steering or brakes on it. I'll see how many of these cars were made in Coventry, like this Triumph Vitesse. Lovely inside, look at that. Nice day for this because all the tops were off. You could see inside the cars. Now this is a 1937 Jaguar copy that was built in 1970. If I've got that wrong, this gentleman will put me right, because he also happens to be somebody that's watched my videos. So if I get any of this wrong, sir, my apologies. I like the driving gloves on the passenger seat. Excellent. That beautiful wheel as well. Stunning car. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Here's another Jaguar, an XJ something. A Mini. Used to have a red one of those, the very first car I ever had. Triumph, another Coventry car. A Triumph Stag. A huge motorbike. Sorry I didn't stop and have a close look at that. But it looks fantastic. What have we got here? Well, this was never built in this country. Of course, it's a big American car, a Cadillac type car, and the coach lining on it, these lines drawn by hand and painted by hand, absolutely beautifully done. Let's just listen to the owner.
It was
Interesting story, this.
a 50s and 60s American customizer. who came up with this sort of style of design. His name was Barras. He's also the man behind the original 60s Batmobile.
This is an original 1954 Morgan car built in Worcestershire, Malvern, and it's absolutely stunning. One of my favourite looking cars, I think. It's a sports car. Terrific. And there's a Jaguar 3.8. Looks a little bit like the sort of car Detective Inspector Morse might have driven. And before you correct me, of course, Morse's car was maroon and this one isn't. I will have to mention Paul Waite, one of my regular commentators from Australia, who I might bump into soon. He's coming over here because he's a Jaguar owner too. As an example of a Volkswagen camper van, this has got to be one of the best. And the owner very kindly allowed me to open the door to have a look at the driver's position. Smashing car. And here we have the Mini showing its transverse engine. One of the very first, not the first, but one of the first cars to have such a design. Rolls Royce, of course. Not too sure about the colour. Bit caramel and cream really, but a beautiful looking car. Originally, and probably this one was made in Crewe, up in Cheshire. That was it. Absolutely lovely. Yeah, looking at these old cars, American ones. Just looked at a Morris Minor, had a chat with the guy there. Told him about William Morris actually. Quite fascinating. Anyway, that's it. Oh, it's only a little simple one. You know what? I'll see you next time. No, you'll see me. No, you'll see me. No, you'll see me. Okay, bye-bye. Well, as a final postscript to all these videos and this one in particular, thanks for watching. A number of things have happened. The Knife Angel turned up in Nuneaton. I spent a lot of time getting the video sorted for that. Check it out, of course. And then today we've had this super car rally in Market Bosworth. I will be back on the final episode of the story of the River Anchor, and that will be part 7 from Polesworth to Tamworth. All in good time. Be patient. Okay, bye-bye.